What's up everyone? Welcome to Joe's Bikes. Today I have a 2022 Aprilia Tuono V4 factory. This is in the black and gold color scheme. This bike is an absolute beast. Tons of adjustability on these bikes. This one's got just about 10,000 miles on it. It's in showroom condition. Bike was very well taken care of. Tell it's super clean. Tires are in good shape. I'll give you a close up. Does have some really nice extras on it. So you can see that sparklet exhaust, it sounds phenomenal. Rear tires in great shape. Swing arm spools, fender eliminator kit, bar end mirrors, and frame sliders. Of course, this is a factory, so it does come with all-in suspension, both in the front and in the rear. Both front and rear are adjustable. The steering dampening is also adjustable. I'll go through all of those adjustments on the screen. Dual disc ABS brakes up front. These Tuonos are an absolute blast to ride. This is Aprilia's naked bike. So you can see it does have cruise control, as well as selective ride modes. It's got 10,421 miles on it. You got user, tour, and sport. User, you can see the traction control and wheelie control adjustments right there. If I go to side, you can see all the other adjustments, the ASC, AEM, engine braking, the ABS and the ALC. And then you got the suspension adjustment, the front firmness, the rear firmness, the brake support, and steering dampening. Let's fire this bike up. Bike has a really throaty sound to it, very sporty. Awesome LEDs up front. Does have a tank pad, all the gold accents, carbon fiber stitching in the seat. They really went above and beyond on this bike. If it's something that you're interested in, feel free to reach out. Thanks for checking out our video. We do have the ability to ship these bikes nationwide, so if you want this bike shipped right to your door, just let us know.
And we do like to be fully transparent, so the price you see listed is always the price out the door. There are 0 dealer fees. If you want to learn more about our business or follow us on YouTube, click one of these links.